Hi there. Hi I-Doers. It's Lindy from I Do Ceremonies. I'm at Errol Park where we are going to have Roslyn and Paul's ceremony at 12:30, which of course is getting streamed live to you guys. But I thought you might just like to see a wee bit of the setting and what we can see around us, as well as what you're going to see during the ceremony. So if I turn my phone round, you can see I'm going to show you the house. And there's people getting ready for the ceremony. How beautiful is that? And look at this setting, looking down onto the Tay, the River Tay here in Perthshire. We are in the most beautiful spot in Perthshire. This house is amazing. I'm going to take you through the front door and show you in a minute, but look at this. I feel as if I'm an extra in Downton Abbey. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to turn my phone around. I'm going to walk you into the house so that you can get a sense of our surroundings. Okay. Look, their entry porch is bigger than my lounge. We've got confetti. We've got our beautiful signage letting everybody know about proceedings. We've got the all-important bar, of course, for people coming in. Look at this. So lots of people still getting set up. There's our flowers getting brought in. I've already spoken to our bride. She's up the stairs getting ready. Our groom's here somewhere. Hiya. But look at the opulence of this house. It's absolutely stunning. Let's have a wee sneak into some of the rooms. Look at that. Oh, those pictures are very Harry Potterish. Oh my goodness, look here. So Roslyn and Paul have sole use of the house for the few days that they're here for the wedding. Oh my goodness, look. Absolutely stunning. Let's go and see what else we can see. Oh, look at that mirror. Oh, just gorgeous. Let's go and see what else we can spot. Look at that fireplace with all the different crests on it.
No, not at all.
Sorry.
Sorry.
The beautiful paintings everywhere. Let's go in here. Oh my goodness, I just want to move in. I just want to move in, raid the library, put the fire on. So this is the big kitchen area.